Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix audio issues on Microsoft Teams calls in 2025. So step 1, start by checking your microphone and speaker connection, whether it's built-in, USB, or Bluetooth. Make sure that they are properly plugged in and powered. Step 2, open your Microsoft Teams and click on your profile icon, and then go to Settings, and then Devices, and select the correct audio input and output devices that you use. Step 3. You can run a test call by clicking Make a Test Call to confirm that Teams can hear you and play back audio. Step 4. If there's still no sounds, you can go to your system sound settings and make sure that Teams is not muted and volume levels are up. Step 5. For Bluetooth devices, disconnect and reconnect them or try restarting both the headset and your computer or laptop. Step 6. Update your Teams app and make sure that system drivers are to the latest version. You can restart your Teams and rejoin the meeting to troubleshoot. And now, your Microsoft Teams audio should be working fine on your calls. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.